A. Machining and CNC. Machining is the use of machines to cut pieces of material, called workpieces, and shape them into components. The tools used in machining to make holes, grooves, threads, etc., are called machine tools. Metal is often machined. As it is cut, waste is produced, called swarf or chips. During machining, a liquid called cutting fluid may be pumped onto the workpiece to act as a coolant, keeping the workpiece cool. In manufacturing, machining is usually guided by computers called computer numerical control (CNC) systems. Often, design information on shapes and sizes of components is fed directly into CNC systems from computer-aided design and computer-aided manufacturing (CAD/CAM) software. B. Machining with cutting tools. Milling is cutting done by a milling machine, often using toothed cutting discs, wheels with teeth that have sharp edges. When a workpiece is milled, it is held in a fixed position on the machine and is shaped by cutting tools which rotate, spin, while being moved over the surface of the workpiece. Turning is a technique for cutting components that have a circular cross-section. The workpiece is turned by a machine called a lathe, which rotates the workpiece. A fixed machine tool is then moved against the rotating workpiece to cut material from it. Sawing is cutting using a blade, a thin, sharp piece of metal, which usually has teeth, to remove a thickness of material slightly wider than the blade. The gap left by the blade, along the line of the cut, is called a kerf. Machines that use toothed blades include circular saws, which have rotating circular blades, band saws, and power hacksaws. A hacksaw has a blade with very small teeth for cutting metal. Saws may also use abrasive wheels, that is, thin, circular cutting wheels with rough, hard surfaces, often made of industrial diamond. Drilling is a technique for cutting circular holes. A machine called a drill is fitted with a tool called a drill bit, or bit. The bit rotates and drills into the material. Holes with large diameters can be cut using hole saws. Hollow cylinders with teeth, which saw circular cuts and remove a core, a solid cylinder, of material. When used to drill into concrete, this technique is also called core drilling, or diamond drilling, as the hole saws have industrial diamond edges. Usually, drilling refers to making new holes. In machining, enlarging a hole, making it wider, is called boring. Grinding is removing material across a surface area, using abrasive wheels. The machines used to grind materials with abrasive wheels are called grinders.